Hi friends, this is Nurullah with you all. Today I had an opportunity to visit Sheikh Zayed, the Heritage Festival, and because it is winter already, they have kick-started this festival a few weeks back, and I visited this Sheikh Zayed Festival 2 years back during 2019. Last year I didn't have an opportunity to go because of COVID situation. This year, today I had an opportunity to go there. It was a beautiful moments and a great weather and a beautifully embellished and decorated place and crafted. Each and every things are crafted within the festival location, and I love this really. If anyone who is seeing this video already in UAE, please have spare some time to visit here during the holidays. It is unique and beautifully arranged and planned and structured. You will love if you come with your family, or if you come alone, or if you come with your friends. In whatever the situation, you would love this place. And one of the biggest change that I could feel in comparison with my 2019 visit, after 2 years, I could see all these beautiful flowers and garden-like structures with a great decoration with a lot of beautiful flowers. They simulated Miracle Garden of Dubai in a small miniature way. This is what you're seeing, the garden-like area, where I could see a lot of crowd, children, and even adults are taking photographs in front of the flowers, including myself. And I couldn't control my childishness when I see all these things, because the time I reached there is dusk time, sunset time. They already turned on the lights. The lights are beautifully arranged, and it was glowing. The lights are glowing, and the arrangements, the illuminated structures, and the lightning arrangements are crafted very carefully, thoroughly, meticulously, and make sure that the people who are coming inside the festival location, Sheikh Zayed, the Heritage Festival location, becoming happy and forgetting about their worries. See how beautifully the lights are glowing, and everywhere there is a careful attention was taken to ensure that there is a scope for entertainment in every nook and corner of the place within the Zayed Heritage Festival location. See how beautiful the structures are, and I wanted you to see all these things. That's why I captured all this in video. And as I told, if someone who is already watching this video is already in United Arab Emirates, please spare some time to come here to Abu Dhabi, to Al Watsba, to visit this beautiful place. It is unique. People are telling that it is same like Global Village. The Global Village is, more. It's vast, huge, and unique on its own. Global Village, but Sheikh Zayed Heritage Festival, it's also unique, beautiful, and special on its own. The only comparison is about the country pavilions, which is one of the attractions here in Zayed Festival Zayed Heritage Festival, but not the main attraction per se. Because there are several attractions like what you are seeing, what you are witnessing here in this video. But in Global Village, the country pavilions, where the country-specific specialized items are showcased and maintained, that is a very unique and specialized, focused item in Global Village. In addition to all these gardens and these things, there are children play area, the funfair area, wherein, similar to what you are seeing, a lot of the giant wheels and the children play structures were there. A lot of children, the parents are getting the cards and top up the card and use the card like a debit card for each and every play area, because certain price is fixed for each and every play area, like 20 dirhams, 30 dirhams. For giant wheel, it is 20 dirhams per child, and children below 12 years should accompany an adult, and these kind of regulations are stipulated. And see, The moment that the darkness already comes, because it's already dusk, it's 6:30 or 7 o'clock, and the lights are giving more beauty, as you are seeing. This is miraculous. It is truly miraculous, unbelievable, wordless. And as you are seeing, it's very cool, mesmerizing, awesome, and whatever the synonymous words that is denoting the same. And I truly enjoyed this. And there is a water fountain there. Amid this water fountain, there is a big tower wherein they showcase in the smart screen countries' historical leaders and moments. And it's a dancing fountain, beautifully embellished. And it was such a wonderful, beautiful place where the people are enjoying. Crowd starts coming more. And again, you are seeing the water fountain and the smart screen. It's a crystal clear screen, beautifully arranged. Everyone can see the historical moments and how the UAE is warped in terms of the background for UAE National Day, how His Highness Sheikh Zayed warped the entire United Arab Emirates in the best way, how it is now. And the screen is really groundbreaking with beautiful colors. It's, I think, the best LED screen in the world, I presume. The one that you are seeing now. See the colors and the contrast and also the resolution. It is unbelievable in the smart screen which is showcased in the tower amid the water fountain. And in one of the stages, children joyfully playing, because the platform, the podium is meant for programs schedule, but there was nobody, so that's why the children are playing there in one of the country pavilion. And this is Oman Halwa, and I wanted to buy some halwa to taste, and they are making it in a specialized way with a very special recipe, and I wanted to get one to taste. I was standing in the queue for long, but there was too much crowd. See, the people with black cloths or the staff in that outlet. See, this is how they are preparing the halwa. They are making the ingredients, and they are kindling. They are mixing and homogenizing in a in an event way, and the work is ongoing. The crowd is more. That's why the guys are really crazy on whom to attend, whom not to attend. I was trying my best to get the attention of the guy, but I couldn't get, so I left from there. After this, there was a parade, a kind of procession with some exhibits and displays, and people are carrying country's beautiful flag of United Arab Emirates with a lot of exhibits, and beautifully parading in that procession. And everywhere there is crowd, and people are really enjoying with a great deal of entertainment that the government has made in this Zayed Heritage Festival event. And really, the government has made a tremendous and meticulous efforts, painstaking efforts to make the people happy. Thank you guys for watching this video.